Hey guys, just wanted to go ahead and show you a quick video on this Lego architectural series by Lego. This is London, and this is actually London Skyline. And so this is the book itself. I do have a completed set here, and I just want to kind of show you what's in the book because I don't think that this is something a lot of people know about. But in the book, it actually talks about the different buildings that you will be building, and then of course some information about each building themselves. So just some educational information as well as, of course, the instructions on how to be able to go ahead and put it together. But the set itself measures exactly 11 inches long. And then as far as height, it does measure about 6 inches. So let me go ahead and show that to you there. So you can see that it's measuring about 6 inches tall right there. So this particular set is for ages 12 and over, and it does have a total of 468 pieces, and it does have regular standard size Lego pieces, and the only thing that actually moves on this set is going to be the bridge. Nothing else is going to move on this set, and so the bridge will go ahead and go up, and then the bridge will actually go down. So just wanted to go ahead and actually show that to you. And I'm going to turn it all around here just so you can see the entire set.